So guys, today we are going to learn English together with graduation vlog. Graduation from my university, because my friends are graduation today and we are going to learn English together. So many people, wow. Well, alright, it's currently around 7 a.m. and we have just finished watching Ecuador football game.
Against Mexico. We lost 2-0. It was, let's say, fair game. I was expecting some, fouls, some, calls from the referee. That wouldn't be so. But no, Mexico just beat us right and fairly. So yeah, it happened.
Yeah, we're just hanging out with people from Latin America. Like, there's my friend from Ecuador, and he gave me these t-shirts, Ecuadorian t-shirts. So now I kind of support Ecuador as well. But we lost, yeah. And we were hanging out with people for the whole night. And the game was delayed as well for 1 hour because of storm. So we're kind of tired. And today, after 6 hours, we are going to have a graduation,
I have
bro.
My graduation in a couple hours, and we haven't slept an hour even. So we have to go home and rest at least 2 hours and go to the graduation. Yeah.
Graduation at university.
I finished 6 years, 5 engineering. I'm happy but sad.
How was it?
It was hard.
Hard facts.
It was hard.
We studied the same thing.
We studied the same team, the same career. But he's Russian. He's studying his own language, so for him it's gonna be easy, of course. But
yeah.
I finished. Yeah.
So see you guys there at college in the morning. But it's already morning. Just we're gonna get a little bit of sleep, and then I will wake up, and we're gonna go to university.
Hey, but I have to say, with my country, and the goods and bads.
I'm proud of Ecuador because you beat Germany, man.
Well, we beat Germany, yeah.
Yeah.
And we couldn't beat Mexico. Come on, Ecuador, please.
By the way, it's the 1st of July, bro. It's 1st of July, officially.
Today is then in Ecuador we have Dia del Niño. It's day from child. Well, I think it's 1st of June. Well, I don't remember. Well, it's a day where we celebrate all child, or children or people
Oh.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
I think it's 1st of June.
Such a great morning. It's sunny. Well, good morning, y'all. And first of all, Saul, why do you have such a dirty room?
We just hung out yesterday.
Look at this room.
This part is for my roommate. Okay, so this is my part. Have you ever heard about messy room but a really smart guy? That's me. I never have my room cleaned enough, but I'm okay. I'm ready. I'm hanging out to university, and I have time to clean later. So yeah.
Later, right? Later, every single day. Whenever I came here, it's always the same. It's always like this.
No, I don't like my.
No, okay. I'm kidding. I just woke up. I got literally 2 hours of sleep. Can you believe that? And it's gonna be pretty crazy because I also had 2 hours of sleep before going to watch football last night. So my friend is getting dressed. Are you going to have a jacket?
No.
No, without a jacket.
Just too hot today.
All right.
I'm good.
Yes, nice. Yeah.
Really.
I thought the shoes is gonna be brighter white.
White?
Yeah,
No, white
they have white, no? All right. Nice suit. All right.
What is it?
All right. The first one.
Okay. So.
These glasses.
Let's go.
Nice, let's go. You're going to graduate today. And that's it. You will just leave this room in 2 weeks. You will never come back to this room.
Less than 2 weeks, in 12 days.
12 days.
Yes. The countdown starts, 12 days. and I'm out of here.
Cool.
Let's go. These views.
Let's go outside. Fridge. Do you have anyone to buy your fridge already?
No.
No? Alright, so we sold our little guitar and now we've been waiting for our third friend. He's from Bolivia, also Latin America. And he's also going to graduate today. And yeah, bro, like, look at this. The weather is so nice today. It's plus 29 degrees outside, plus 28, it's so hot. It's summer and it's been actually a while without vlogs, right? It's been maybe 2 weeks without vlogs. And I finally passed all my exams. But to be honest, except one. Like, I didn't pass one exam. I have a retake and I'm going to retake that exam in September. But that's not a big deal, to be honest. I will manage to pass for sure 100%. So now it's a summer break and we're chilling and we're watching we watch World Cup with him and with other Latin people. We watch World Cup almost every day. Like, we support all teams, like all countries from Latin America. It's like it's one family, and it's been great. Where is he at?
Sure, let me call him.
Hey, check it out. You can see Moscow downtown from here. He speaks Spanish. I don't know Spanish. And today is going to be like a big ceremony of graduation. He has his graduation gown in the backpack. Where are we going?
To meet Mario, he's coming.
All right, there he is, in the bus. Let's catch the bus. Wait. Hey man.
Hello.
How you doing?
Hello.
Nice suit.
Thank you.
Nice jacket. Look how they speak Spanish. I don't understand the words. I don't understand nothing except hijo de puta. That's so funny, bro. All of these students are going to graduate today. Whoa! Look at that stage. Indeed, there are so many people today. They're wearing this kind of graduation gown. Wow. We met our other friends. Mario, you excited? Okay, here's the security. Security, all right. We need to pass through this security. Look at this big stage and many people. So we are about to go inside right now and get prepared for the graduation, man. Here is our university. Hey, привет. Да. So yeah, this is our main building, and today is full of students. We got music. Wow. And now I'm going to go to the concert hall, take my seat as just a spectator, just supporter, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna show you around our place. Look at all of these people. They dressed up. So beautiful. Many foreigners, trees. And we got, oh my gosh, what is that? They are filming something, I suppose. Here's our library, by the way. Our library and a big screen. Yeah, they just record something. A video. Photographer with a camera also making the photos right there. Well, yeah. Let's go.
Давай я хочу ставить 2-3, короче, вещи и место собрать.
Okay. Wow, guys, this is my first time being in such kind of event, graduation, and I'm quite excited because so many people. Oh. Now we're going to the classroom where he's going to get the certificate. I hope they will let me to go in. I hope so. Just, I'm his family. B3. So we're going to take a seat here. Oh, it's already full of people. It's already full of people. Wow. So many students. And I'm going to take a seat somewhere here and just... Sanya, he's my roommate. You'll know him. He's going to be a photographer today. Here? Isn't it too close? I don't know. Foreigners and Russians. Well, guys, I took a seat. It's so hot. Sanya, how are you doing? You good? He's good. He's ready. All right. Guys, we have a big screen, and this is like basically a classroom for lectures, but today they turn it into the concert hall, kind of. And I guess all the people who graduate today, they're going to walk out of that door, I suppose, and they will get the certificates right here in the middle. And after this event, maybe we will get some sleep. Again, it's like 2 hours of sleep. And in the evening, maybe we will keep our celebration going. I don't know, we will go out and go to some restaurant, maybe hang out with friends. So that's gonna be good day, long day of celebrations. We also have a lot of parents here, you know, because students invited their family. Because like this is a really memorable event, one of the most important events so far in each student's life. Honestly, I'm tired because we've been waiting for
I'm the last
several
one.
hours.
Because of like the Jesus will. I'm the last one, so yeah.
His group is going to be the last one. Man, it's so long. And what are we gonna do after the ceremony?
We gotta sleep a couple hours at least.
Nice hat. Vamos. Our turn. Let's go. Saul right behind. That's his turn to get diploma. Get a diploma. And you're going to call his mom, right?
Yeah.
So that that's our friend. Wow. So that his parents can see everything online.
Так, друзья, ну
right now.
кафедра, конечно, я
From
чувствую,
Ecuador.
огромная. Да.
Group of students, crowd of students.
Почетной грамотой и благодарностью награждается Трикунова Мария.
What?
Диплом не нужен.
Saul!
Михаил.
Saul! He forgot to sign the diploma, you know. He will not get a diploma, bro. He will not get a diploma.
И Эспиноза Лопес.
Vamos!
Ну давайте. Светлана Владимировна, кто это?
Throw it up. and now we are taking the photos
Где мои лингвисты дорогие? Вот они,
with the
супер.
banner
Так,
of our university.
вот они наши экономисты.
Сейчас пойдем. Да.
Look at those people with long white legs and white dress and long legs. Wow. That's scary, by the way, I'm not gonna lie. That's scary. They're signing ahead, making a sign, like a tradition. Just for the memory. Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Раз, два, 10 years.
In 10 years, where do you see yourself?
To be honest, I hope
In 10 years.
No. I really hope to be whenever. I don't matter the country. I don't matter. Even like it's an English speaker country, a Spanish speaking country. Maybe in 10 years. Well, I hope to be happy. Doesn't matter where or do I work. I'm to wishing to be happy no matter the work, no matter what things that I do. I just fulfill my feelings.
To your kids.
One message to my kids.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
You're in Moscow right now. You're in Moscow.
I'm in
It's
Moscow.
2026. You graduated from college.
Well, one message to my kids.
What's life right now?
Конечно, endowment fund.
Doesn't matter how many times you fall, but it matters how many times you get up after that.
Get up.
Get out. Doesn't matter. Life is gonna be harder, but you're harder. You're harder than life. So yeah, I love you, kids.
That's a great concert, by the way. Waving flags of our university. Best day ever, bro. Best day ever. Have a good day. Have a good day, guys. Love you all so much. Thank you. Thank you. See you. I see you. Bye bye.